Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about regular and irregular polygon. So if we talk about regular polygon, we see that three sides and three vertices a closed polygon, it is equilateral triangle. If we talk about four sides, vertices, closed figure, it is a square. Of five sides, we name it as regular pentagon. Six sides, hexagon. Seven sides, regular heptagon. And eight sides, all sides equal. We say it regular octagon. If we look here, all sides are not looking same. So it is not regular polygon. So both are not regular polygon. So we just find out what are the angles. Till now we have done the sides. So we find out, as we all know, that equilateral triangle all angles are 60 degree. So all are equal. Let us move the angle so that it will be clear to you. So all angles are 60 degree. Same way square, all sides 90 degree. If we talk about regular octagon, we see that all angles are 135 degree. Sides are same and angles are also same. If heptagon, seven sides, we talk about angles, it is 128.6 degree. So you can see that by GeoGebra we can see clearly that all angles are 128.6 degree. It is called regular heptagon. If we talk about here that sides are not equal, let us find out what are the angles. It is 90 degree. First angle is 90 degree. Second is 140.7. Third is 83.3 degree. Fourth is, let us find out more clear. It is not very clear. I move the angles so that you can see clearly. First angle is 90 degree, 140.7 degree. Third is 83.3 degree. No of the angles is same. 131.2, 94.8. All angles are different. So it is irregular polygon where the sides and angles are not of the same measure. We find out of this figure angles. So what is this angle? First angle is you can see the sides are not same. So first one is 139.5 degree. Second one is 146.2. Again I move it to look clear to 139.5 degree, 146.2 degree, 85 point, third angle is 85.8 degree, fourth one is 127.2 degree. So we see that all angles are of different measure, 147 degree and 74.3 degree. So what do we see in irregular polygon? When sides are not same and angles are not same. Let us talk about some more regular polygon. So you can see a regular polygon. I'm taking here nine vertices regular polygon. It is called nonagon. Regular nonagon. I bring here it as the figure is big, it does not fit in the screen, so I can change colors of the figure. I can label it so that it will be more clear to you. I'm writing here regular nonagon. By GeoGebra it is very easy to find out the angles, and by visualization it is more clear. Here you can see regular nonagon. Just find out what is the angle. But one angle is 140 degree. Okay, then we find out other angles and we see that all angles are 140 degree. All angles are of same measure. So I move it little, bring the all angles little prominent so that you can see that it is 140 degree. just move it so that it will fit clear. 140 degree, all angles are of same measure here. So what do you see? That in regular polygon, all sides and all angles are of same measure. If we take some more figure, it is, we take about regular polygon, and this time we take it just 10 vertices. 10 vertices, regular polygon. What is the name? It is decagon. Regular decagon. I move it little backward so that you can see the figure clearly. As the figure is so many sides are there, you can see the total 10 sides are there, and all sides look same. I can change the color of the sides, color of the figure. So here I change this color of the line segment. This is green. So now find out what is the angle. Just it is nonagon 140 degrees. So what is the angle of, okay, 144 degree. And all angles are 144 degree. So what do you notice? That regular nonagon 140 degree, and as the sides are as the sides or the vertices are increasing, angles measurement of angle is also increasing. So in regular polygon, all sides and all angles are of same measure. I label it regular decagon so that you can see clearly. I put the label also so that it will be clear to you. So we have done so many regular polygon, and hope you have understood the difference between regular and irregular polygon.